You're in the middle of something important. You need to turn on the flashlight, adjust brightness, or quickly switch Wi-Fi, but the control you need isn't there, or it's tucked away on another page. Most iPhone 17 users don't realize that the control center isn't fixed. You can rearrange it, remove clutter, and add the tools you actually use every day. Here's how to customize the control center on the iPhone 17 series. Start by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. If you continue swiping, you'll see more grouped controls. Many of these controls have extra options. Just touch and hold on one to open its submenu and reveal additional features. For example, if you long press the brightness slider, you'll see more options where you can adjust screen brightness, turn dark mode on or off, enable night shift, and toggle true tone. The same applies to other controls like volume, flashlight, and camera. To rearrange your controls, touch and hold on an empty area of the control center to enter edit mode. You'll know you're in edit mode when minus icons appear in the upper left corner of every control. While in edit mode, find the control you want to move, then drag and drop it to your preferred position. To remove a control you don't need, stay in edit mode and tap the minus icon on top of the control to delete it. To add new controls, tap the plus icon in the top right corner, then tap Add a Control. You'll see a categorized list of available tools. Just tap the one you want, and it will instantly appear in your control center. You can also resize certain controls. Touch and hold an empty area again to activate edit mode, then drag the handle in the lower right corner of a control until it reaches your desired size. If you'd like to group related tools together, you can create a new section. Tap the small circle icon along the right edge of the screen, tap Add a Control, and choose the controls you want in that group. Or drag a control off the bottom of the page to automatically create a new section. Once you're done customizing, swipe up from the center of the screen to exit the control center. With these changes, your iPhone 17's control center becomes your personal command hub, faster, cleaner, and built around what you actually use. Now here's a bonus tip. If for some reason you encounter issues after customizing the control center, you can restore the default configurations by resetting the control center. To do this, go to Settings, tap Control Center, then tap Reset Control Center. Read the warning prompt, then tap Reset Control Center again to confirm. The control center will then be reverted back to its default settings. And that's it. If this helped you personalize your iPhone 17, give it a like or watch another tutorial to unlock more features you didn't know you had. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.